face down on the nightstand, not on silent, face down, the way you always wanted it to be, but never quite let yourself do. The group chat is quiet. No more refresh, no more typing and deleting, no more wondering how your words landed. The notifications stopped hours ago, and nobody sent a second message, wondering where you went. Because tonight, they didn't need you to perform. Tonight, you just get to be just you. In your room, in your bed, at the end of a day that somehow, finally, worked out. Let's walk through what happened today, not to fix it, not to obsess over it, just to let it settle. Remember that conversation you kept replaying in your head, the one where you thought you said too much or not enough. In this version, they understood, not the way you feared, not the awkward silence, not the heavy, sharp edge you imagine. They actually heard you. They saw your heart behind the words, and they met you where you were. You're not rehearsing your apology anymore. You don't need to explain yourself. The conversation is closed. It ended soft. It ended safe. It ended okay. And right now, in this moment, you let that be enough. That thing hanging over you, the deadline, the email you didn't send, the task you were supposed to finish. In this version, you did enough. Not everything, not perfectly, but enough for today. And somehow, that was still okay. You logged out. You closed the laptop. You walked away from the screen, and nobody chased after you. The world kept turning without you constantly pushing it. You are allowed to rest now. You earned this rest, not by finishing everything, but by being human in the middle of it all. And underneath all of that, the quiet question of your worth. In this version, you didn't have to be perfect. You didn't have to be impressive. You didn't have to earn your value with productivity or performance. You were just you, flawed, tired, real. And somehow that was still enough. If it feels right, breathe in, like you're letting this new version of your life in. And breathe out, like you're releasing every old worry that doesn't fit you anymore. Breathe in, new story. be here in this room, in this bed, in this moment. You're lying down. The mattress holds you like it was made for your exact shape. The pillow cradles your head like it remembers you. Feel your body getting heavier, not falling. Just settling like the final scene of a long movie when the camera pulls back and everything finally goes still. Your forehead softens. The space between your brows uncreases, like someone gently smoothed out every worry line you didn't know you were holding. Your eyes are closed. There is nothing you need to see right now. The darkness behind your eyelids is warm, safe, yours. Your cheeks relax. Your jaw unclenches. Your tongue rests heavy in your mouth. Your teeth don't need to be pressed together anymore. Your ears, let them just listen to the rain. No alerts, no demands, just sound. Your neck melts into the pillow, the tension you carried all day, from looking at screens, from holding yourself upright, from being on. It dissolves. It was never your job to hold it all. Your shoulders drop, not forced, just released, like hooks letting go of the coat they've been gripping all day. Your arms feel heavy now. Your hands go soft at your sides. Your fingers don't need to be ready for anything. Your chest rises and falls, slowly now, not fast, not shallow, just the natural tide of a body that finally feels safe. Your stomach softens. No more sucking in, no more bracing, just letting it be exactly how it is. Letting it rest. Your back presses into the mattress, and the mattress holds you completely. Like it's whispering, I've got you. You can stop holding yourself up now. Your legs grow heavy, like they were walking for miles, and now they're finally allowed to stop. Your feet loosen, your ankles relax, your toes uncurl. Every part of you is letting go. Feel the blanket over you. It's warm. It hugs your body like it was tailored exactly for you. You don't have to adjust it. You don't have to fix it. It's already perfect. The room is dim. Maybe there's a soft glow from a lamp, or maybe just the gentle dark around you. Either way, it's safe. You hear the rain outside, but in here, it feels like the credits rolling on your favorite movie. Everything that mattered already happened, The story is complete for tonight. Main character, your story can rest now. You don't have to be on. You don't have to be strong. You don't have to be anything but here. Your only job is to breathe and drift. The next chapter will still be there in the morning. Right now, this is the soft in between. The part where nothing is required. The part where you float. If thoughts come up, they can pass through like background characters walking off screen. You stay here in the center of it all, held, safe, enough. Let your breath be easy, in and out, without trying to control it. With every exhale, a little more of the day melts away. You are exactly where you are meant to be right now. You did enough. It worked out. You are safe. You are loved more than you know. You are allowed to rest. If you ever need to remember that it all works out, you know where to find me. For now, main character, close the chapter. Fade to black. Sleep. Good night.